Yo, what's up guys? Mikey Cass back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I profitably test products, especially going into 2020. You know, a lot of things are changing. You know, you can't do certain things and you can do other things to help your ads. So this is how you profitably test products. A lot of people are like asking me and stuff through DMs, so yeah, let's get it. Okay, so the first thing that I do is basically on the campaign level of, you know, running Facebook ads is I go straight to purchase conversion. I see a lot of beginners, you know, running PPEs and they're spending $50, $100, and like I'm literally telling this to save you. If you're running a PPE as a beginner, personally, I don't think you're gonna make money with it, and it's a complete waste of time, and it's gonna take you several more months to learn that you just need to go straight to purchase conversion. I have friends that used to advocate for running PPE ads when you're first testing products, and now they just go straight to purchase conversion. That's what they advocate for and, you know, tell their people. And so the reason for this is if you're going straight to purchase conversion, obviously, you know, you're asking Facebook, like, I want purchases. PPE, like, I don't know what it is, but like they only engage. You barely even get website visitors. It's a complete waste of money. Some people run PPE ads, like engagement ads, you know, just to basically, you know, get social proof, and then I'm gonna run purchase conversion. Like, if it's a winning product, like, you're just gonna get sales straight out the bat, so you're just wasting your time with PPE. And then some people also, you know, use that to make like lookalikes off the video views and stuff like that. But like, if it's a true winning product, you'll get sales like easily. You'll get sales with cold targeting. You don't need to do all this BS. So on the campaign level, go straight to purchase conversion. Okay, so the second thing is on the ad set level. I'm running 10 ad sets, and basically through each ad set, I personally run $20 budgets, but I know if you're a beginner, maybe you can't afford it, just run $10 budgets. It's completely fine. And the only thing I change from ad set to ad set is the interest in it. And it could be like interest, it could be a behavior, you know, whatever, as long as it just goes in that box. And I make sure it's over 1 million in audience size. And I keep it super broad. Like, if I'm selling like shoes, I'll literally just target just shoe. So I'll literally just target shoe. Like, I'll keep all my keywords pretty broad, because if you go with a very narrow audience, let's say it has like 100,000 people in it, Facebook can't optimize with like 100,000 people. It can't find that pocket of buyers because there's not many people to work with. That's why some of my biggest audiences, let's say it has 200 million people, Facebook has so many people to work with to find like that right buying audience. So yeah, I basically have 10 ad sets, you know, just change the interest, and in each of those ad sets, I'm targeting worldwide, and I'm excluding India, Africa, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all those cheap kind of like Middle Eastern, Southeastern countries. Philippines is pretty good sometimes, like Laos, Myanmar. I exclude all those Southeast, you know, Asian countries, and also a little bit of Middle East. And then I also run 18 to 65 plus English speaking. And English speaking, there's going to be US versus UK. I usually just choose like all. So yeah, I basically just select, you know, English speaking all. And then basically when testing, I do Facebook and Instagram feeds and stories only. I don't really do any of the other placements. And you know, I'm not against those other placements. I do that, but you know, once it's a winner, I'll test other placements. But when I'm first testing a product, I'm only testing, you know, things that I know that convert the best, which is usually stories and feeds. And then also when testing, I just leave it at automatic bidding. I don't do manual bidding. And once again, this might work for other people, but like from what I've seen, you know, giving this strategy to other people and for myself, automatic biddings like work best. Okay, and then on the next level of, you know, Facebook ads, from campaigns down to ad sets, we've already gone over those, is the actual ad itself. I do have a viral video formula, which could be another video in the future, but for now, I keep it very simple video, you know, 1080 by 1080. I make sure it's like, you know, squared video dimensions. And then the first 3 seconds of the video are the most important. You don't want to show your product, you know, how to set it up and whatnot. You want to show the highlight of the product, it actually in use. Like, the first 3 seconds are the most important. Okay, and then basically in your ad like description or like whatever it's called, you want to like kind of pick at a pain point. And then once again, you have to be very careful with this, because Facebook is like, oh dude, you're like picking at like our users and stuff, and it's not a good user experience. So don't pick at people's insecurities, but like kind of pick at a problem that they might have. So I just usually do that with a question, and then say, oh, it's 50% off plus free shipping, and then get yours here with a little link. And then there's also the description link it'll ask you, so you're gonna have that additional button. So the ad side is pretty simple. And then once again, I do have a really good guy that I use, and I forwarded to pretty much a lot of my friends and just, you know, other people. So just DM me on Instagram. He's on Skype or whatever. You just pay him like $50 and he'll make you like 5 e-commerce videos. So it's super easy, and he'll get it to you within like a couple hours. So just DM me on Instagram, links in bio, or it's like at Mikey Cass. Okay guys, basically to sum it all up, I go straight to purchase conversion. And then on the ad set level, you know, I'm running 10 ad sets. I suggest that you guys do $10 a day budget, you know, worldwide. Just exclude like cheap traffic countries. I pretty much do Facebook, Instagram feed, and stories, and then I just do single video. You know, that's pretty self-explanatory. Once again, I have my guy, and then basically I'll probably talk about it in another video, you know, how to analyze these actual results, you know, how to make sure it's a winning product and whatnot. It is pretty simple, but yeah. hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. Not even a plug, just DM me if you have any questions at Mikey Cass. You know, I'm trying to help out people for free. So yeah, just do that, and hope you enjoy the video.